Hey everybody, and welcome to Quick Pod on Tech. My name is Jason Rule. Just wanted to hop on here and talk about a market that's really near and dear to us, and that's the GPS tracking market. Now, the GPS tracking market is a fast-growing market. Right now, it's about 5.5 billion in total size, revenue-wise, but the anticipation from now 2026 to 2033 is about $17 billion in growth. Incredible, which works out to about 17.5% growth year over year, which is amazing considering where asset tracking, the standalone asset tracking really started. And the main use case still, above all, about 45% of asset tracking use cases is in the transportation and logistics space. With 5G integrated networks, it becomes easier to track things. So you're having the development of LTE-M and, of course, NB-IoT, which is really growing, and even LoRaWAN, which is growing the space related to GPS tracking. And what you're really finding is the major driver of it is operational excellence and operational logistics. And again, with AI coming into play, AI predictive models is really pushing the need to know where your vehicles are or your stuff is and being able to drive use cases around it. Now, even though North America is the largest, it has 46% market share of the size of GPS trackers. Asia Pacific is the fastest growing market because they have a lot of logistics needs where they need to track things moving from one place to another. So you're really seeing a high growth in those areas. And you can even look at the way that regions grow. So Europe is all around route optimization and safety because, again, Europe is more of a dense type of place. And then Asia, as I mentioned, is really around logistics and moving devices and cargo from place to place. And North America is a kind of a combination of the two. In North America, they're really focused on optimization, being able to leverage some of that fleet data for better outcomes, and to obviously make sure that theft and other shrinkage is reduced in their environments. So asset tracking, as I've always talked about, is a huge space. We do a lot of business in that space, both with our physical AI products where we're tracking assets. We're even looking at things like RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, and of course LoRaWAN for asset tracking and retention. So just want to get in here and share a little bit about that. So please remember to like, follow, and subscribe, and hopefully we see you in here again. All right, peace.